mine, Sean, he was like, yo, Joe, can you build me a gaming PC? I'm like, yeah, sure, man, why not? Let's, what exactly do you want? I want a 1080 Ti, alright. I want an i7, okay. RGB RAMs, RGB CPU cooler, and a good computer case. Like this one right here, the Fractal Meshify C. And also, he wants a good power supply that will last for like a long time, maybe a decade. So, Seasonic Focus, there you go. You know what, let's just start building it. Yo, you know what time it is?
Is it PUBG time?
PUBG time, man.
Alright, see you in 5, I'll call you back.
In 5? Alright.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! Holy shit! What the fuck? Serpentine, Reddit serpentine! Quickly! Zigzag pattern! Oh shit! Holy shit, Johnny! The guy was right on top of you! Oh shit! Oh, fish tag, are you dead? No, you're there. No. Johnny, they said the bomb never falls in the same place twice. Oh, serious? So... Run towards the bombs! Yeah, I'm running through the bomb! Holy shit! I ran through the bomb! All good. Don't shoot. They're not shooting at us. Don't join. Stand by. Standing. We should join though. Alright, let's join then. They might have some shit. There they are, they're in front! Where? Them. Oh shit! Bearing! Shoot 325! Down. Who's down? Papito. Oh. Jesus. Papito. Papi. Hey, Papito. Hey, Papi. I like your shit. Let me steal it. Oh, shit. Run into the bomb. Oh, shit. Not again. Oh, shit. Why do I have to do this again? Oh, shit. Fish tank. Run straight into the bomb. Oh, shit. We're okay. Yeah. We're okay. Holy shit. I don't think I can kill you. Don't say that! Oh fuck! We're okay. Oh shit, I might not make it. How do I heal? I have energy king. You don't have first aid? No! No! I'm not gonna make it! I'm not gonna make it! Don't worry. No! Wilson! Oh man, look at the next zone, man. It just takes. I did 2 more steps! I can't believe it! Here, stop. Did you see that? Yeah, I saw that. It's like I tripped on the rock, you know? It's like, fuck! Johnny. What's up? Why don't you have your gun out, man? Fuck you, Johnny!
What?
Find me on a tree, quickly!
Where? There's no one. Oh shit! Someone's shooting at us.
Direction.
Where are they?
I don't know, but you said hide behind a tree. I felt like someone shooting.
Yeah, the bullet sprayed right behind you. They're coming from our maybe around 075 to 105.
Yeah, probably from that red house.
The house. Yeah, fish tank front. You keep going, you circle around. Yeah, they're in that house. You can go from.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, Johnny, keep moving. Johnny, move around a bit, like fidget, left and right a bit.
I'm moving.
I'm going from the back.
All right, I got their attention. Yeah, I got their attention. Yeah, raid the house.
Oh, see him. One outside the house.
All right, are you getting them? All right, Johnny, I'm gonna move. Cover, Johnny. Shoot random.
All right,
Shoot it.
skills.
Nice.
There's one more guy, right?
That was perfect. Perfect distraction.
Oh man, that's such a good teamwork.
That was awesome.
Oh man, this is lame.
Yeah.
I think we were too busy looting.
Let's just shoot each other.
Yeah, you wanna do that?
Yeah.
Fuck you!
Fire.
Oh, fuck you!
Friendly fire here, I'll revive you. Hello! I can't revive. See you later, guys. I'm going.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Terrible teammate.
I can still make it. There's a car here.